Visiting grandparents.
Did you visit your grandparents last weekend?
Yes, I visited them on Sunday.
How are they doing?
They're doing great and they were so happy to see me.
That's wonderful. Did you stay long?
A couple of hours, it was nice catching up.
Visiting a museum.
Did you visit the new museum in town?
Yes, I visited it yesterday.
What was it like?
It was amazing. The exhibits were very interesting.
I'll have to check it out soon.
You definitely should.
Visiting a doctor.
Did you visit the doctor for your checkup?
No, I didn't visit the doctor. I had to reschedule.
Why? Were you too busy?
Yes, but I'll go next week.
Don't delay too long. Your health is important.
I know, I'll make sure to go.
Visiting a zoo.
Did you visit the zoo during your trip?
Yes, I visited the zoo on the last day.
Did you see the lions?
Yes, they were amazing.
I love zoos. What was your favourite part?
The penguins were so cute.
Visiting a friend.
Did you visit your friend in the hospital?
Yes, I visited her yesterday evening.
How is she feeling?
She's much better now. She's even joking again.
That's great to hear. Did she enjoy your visit?
She did. It cheered her up a lot.
Visiting a restaurant.
Did you visit that new Italian restaurant?
No, I didn't visit it yet. Is it good?
It's amazing. You should definitely try it.
I'll go this weekend. What's the best dish there?
Their pizza is incredible.
Sounds delicious.
Visiting a park.
Did you visit the park on Saturday?
Yes, I visited it with my family.
Did you have a picnic?
No, but we walked around and enjoyed the fresh air.
That sounds nice. I love spending time outdoors.
Me too.
Visiting a castle.
Did you visit the castle on your trip to Scotland?
Yes, I visited it on the second day.
Was it as beautiful as they say?
Absolutely. The views from the top were breathtaking.
That sounds incredible. I'd love to go someday.
You should. It's worth it.
Visiting a beach.
Did you visit the beach while you were on vacation?
Yes, I visited it almost every day.
That's great. Did you swim in the sea?
Yes, the water was so clear and refreshing.
That sounds amazing. I miss the beach.
You should plan a trip soon.
Visiting a library.
Did you visit the library to borrow some books?
Yes, I visited it yesterday.
What did you borrow?
A couple of novels and a history book.
Sounds like a good mix. Have you started reading them yet?
I started reading one last night.
Visiting a market.
Did you visit the local market this morning?
Yes, I visited it and bought some fresh vegetables.
Were there a lot of stalls?
Yes, and everything looked so fresh.
That's great. Did you get good deals?
I did. The prices were very reasonable.
Visiting a festival.
Did you visit the food festival downtown?
No, I didn't visit it. Was it good?
It was amazing. So many delicious things to try.
I wish I'd gone. Maybe next year.
Definitely go next time. It's worth it.
I will for sure.
Visiting a tourist attraction.
Did you visit the Eiffel Tower when you were in Paris?
Yes, I visited it on my first day there.
Did you go all the way to the top?
Of course, the view was spectacular.
I'm jealous. Paris is on my bucket list.
You should visit. It's an amazing city.
Visiting family.
Did you visit your cousin during the holidays?
No, I didn't visit him. He was out of town.
That's a shame. Did you talk to him at least?
Yes, we had a long phone call.
Ah, that's nice. Maybe you can visit him soon.
I'll plan something next month.